Hey guys, it's Wayne from Sling Pilot Academy here. I'm incredibly excited to share this latest video with you. It was such an honour to go to Mojave Desert with Sam Chui and my son Matt and see the last Qantas 747 land, retired to its final resting place in the California desert. It was an incredible experience. I almost couldn't sleep the night before. I'm so excited as an Australian and as an Australian that flew on a bunch of Qantas 747s. It was a really special day for me and a sad day for me also to see that last aircraft. The staff are amazing, the Qantas staff, and so nice to spend the day also with Sam, who's just so passionate about aviation, a really good friend of ours at the Academy. And first time flying in actual IMC with my son Matt, and boy, he crushed it. I really feel confident flying with him. I was in the back seat, I had a blast, so enjoy the video.
Sling 135 Whiskey Tango would like to pick up a tech route to Mojave Airport.
Tango 5 Whiskey Tango on request, ready to taxi.
Ready to taxi 5 Whiskey Tango.
Tango 5 Whiskey Tango, 189 right, taxi via Echo Alpha Juliet.
29 right, taxi Echo Alpha Juliet 5 Whiskey Tango.
Yeah. You can shut your window if you want, Matthew.
Alright.
Cold.
It is cold.
There you go. Tell you what, I am unbelievably excited.
Ready to copy 5 Whiskey Tango.
Tango 5 Whiskey Tango, clear to Mojave Airport via fly runway heading. Intercept the LAX radio 170. To Limbo, LAX, Victor 165. Launch intersection, Victor 518. Palmdale, direct. Climb, maintain 3,000. Expect 7,010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 124.3. Squawk 4645.
Sling 135 Whiskey Tango is cleared to the Mojave Airport via fly runway heading. Intercept the LAX 170 radial to Limbo, LAX, Victor 165, Lange intersection, Victor 518, Palmdale, and then direct. Climb, maintain 3,000, expect 7,010 minutes after departure, frequency 124.3, squawk 4645.
Tango 5 Whiskey Tango, be back correct.
You beauty!
Yeah, go, let's go. Media guys, tell him to come to our Sling school.
Path 1, X controller, contact SoCal departure, good day.
Contact SoCal, good day, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Sling 5 Whiskey Tango, also fly runway heading.
Will also fly runway heading 5 Whiskey Tango.
Is this autopilot already?
Yes.
Wow.
Approach experimental Sling 135 Whiskey Tango departing the Torrance Airport runway heading 1,800 for 3,000.
Sling 135 Whiskey Tango, SoCal departure, ident, climb and maintain 4,000.
Ident, climb, maintain 4,000, 5 Whiskey Tango.
5 Whiskey Tango, radar contact 2 miles northwest of the Torrance Airport.
Radar checks, 5 Whiskey Tango.
5 Whiskey Tango, climb and maintain 5,000.
Climb, maintain 5,000, 5 Whiskey Tango.
5 Whiskey Tango, fly heading 360.
Heading 360, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Woohoo, just pop out the cloud. So, as you heard our flight plan today, we're heading to Mojave to see the last Qantas 747. So exciting. And fellow Australian sitting at the back, Wing, and his son's Matt is the pilot in charge today. Little Sling going to see a big jumbo to farewell her.
I can't wait. Unbelievable.
It's going to be a great day.
You beauty.
Yeah, you beauty, mate.
Oh, it's beautiful. Look at this.
Oh yeah, I love this. I love popping up through the clouds.
Yep.
Resort
Have a picture together?
Maintain 15,000.
I'm via the Orca 4 accept maintain 15,000 American 167.
Wow, I never had this speed in the Sling 2.
Giant, November 5 Whiskey Tango, turn left heading 310.
Left heading 310, 5 Whiskey Tango.
1 Fox.
We're gonna get there in less than 30 minutes, I'll say. Yeah, in time.
5 Whiskey Tango, fly heading 340, resume on navigation.
Heading 340 and resume on navigation, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Well, it's lucky we had you to fly us, Matthew.
Yeah.
Would have been a little bit more difficult getting out of there otherwise.
We won't be making. We'll be waiting until 12.
Tango, climb and maintain 7,000.
Climb maintain 7,000, 5 Whiskey Tango.
November 5 Whiskey Tango, report Mojave in sight. Mojave 12 o'clock, about 25 miles.
Have the airport inside, 5 Whiskey Tango.
For 5 Whiskey Tango, contact Mojave Tower on 127.6. Take care.
Contact Mojave Tower 127.6. Thanks for all your help, 5 Whiskey Tango.
And our well-prepared pilot already had it in.
Mojave Tower, experimental swing 135 Whiskey Tango is 8.5 miles to the south of the field, descending from 7,000 for runway 30.
Experimental Mojave Tower, make left traffic for runway 26, report midfield.
We'll make left traffic for 26 and report midfield, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Well, we've got a beautiful day for it.
Yeah, we'll get really hot. On the way back, we'll all be sweating.
Gotta let them know.
Mojave Towers, experimental swing 135 Whiskey Tango is midfield, joining downwind, left traffic for 26.
5 Whiskey Tango, report left base runway 26.
We'll report left base, runway 26, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Wow, couldn't be a better morning for it.
Oh man, that week just under our wing.
Make a right 360 for spacing traffic on runway 26.
We'll make right 360 for spacing, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Oh, here might be a chance.
Tiger 1-1.
Oh, yeah.
Delay on runway is approved.
That thing there?
Oh,
6 engine. Weird, eh?
Wow, that thing is incredible. What a perfect spot for a 360.
Yeah.
We got a beautiful view of it.
Tiger.
It's actually very rare. They usually keep it in the hangar. That must mean like the mission's on.
That thing looks wild. Cool to see it from the air.
Nailed it.
Mojave Tower, Sling 135 Whiskey Tango, turning left base for 26.
5 Whiskey Tango, wind calm, runway 26, clear for the option.
26, clear for the option, 5 Whiskey Tango.
Great landing.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Bonza, Ripper, beauty. Good on ya.
Alrighty, good landing, man. Good landing, sir.
Thank you.
Very well flying and inspirational. Look at you're doing instrument, like, you know, that's hopefully the next step after I get my PPL. And, yeah, looking up.
That's what I need to do as well. So you gotta teach me.
Yeah, son teaching father, inspiring.
Hey guys, today I am so excited. We've just flown Sam Chui to Mojave Airport to see the last 747 of Qantas get retired here at Mojave. We're gonna go see the Wanala and watch it land in person, but first, let's go get some food.
Can I get a coffee, please?
After going inside to order our food, we went out back to find a place to sit and ran into the Australian Channel 9 news team setting up for the day.
So the plan is that we'll go over that side, we'll get as close as we possibly can because I want us to feel the engines as we come down. And then what we'll do is we'll head up quickly to where they're going to be turning around at the end and then taxiing to park behind the other three that are out there. Yep. Yeah.
Well, let's quickly eat, man.
Yes, thanks so much.
Yeah, what did you order, man?
I got the Catalina omelet.
Catalina omelets. This is sexy. This is corned beef hash, fried eggs. Sorry you guys can't smell it, but this is the fun, right? Hard work flying here in an hour and had a great breakfast. And we're not gonna fly straight back because the Qantas 747 is on its way.
Hey guys, we're out here with Sam Chui and the crew from Qantas. The plane's just taken off and we're gonna wait for it to come in.
It's getting exciting. It's like 8,000 feet. We can see it circling down to land. It's gonna join the downwind to runway 30, and then hopefully it'll be a great touchdown. I'm sure it will be. Wow! Hey!
Let's
the
go!
Last Qantas 747 just landed. We're gonna run down to the end of the runway to see the last Qantas 747. Let's go, guys! Wow, what a view here! Look at that.
It's spectacular. This is where the fun is.
Okay guys, we beat Wanala to its parking spot. Here waiting with Sam Chui and the rest of the Qantas crew. And should be here shortly for us to go take a look. Can't wait.
This is amazing. Wow. I think this will be my last entrance to the Qantas 747. Heart racing 1,000 times.
Okay guys, we've just come up the steps and I'm so excited to get a look inside. We're gonna go meet the pilots and have a look around. We took a look inside this beautiful aircraft, getting to see a completely empty passenger area. Next, we were lucky enough to go into the cockpit, take a look around, and even talk with some of the pilots. Okay guys, we're underneath the plane right now, walking in between the gear. What? Crazy, absolutely wild. Our adventure of a day was coming to a close, but we got one last opportunity of a lifetime before we left. We got given the chance to write a message and sign our own names on the bottom of this majestic aircraft. What a fantastic day.